Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So in the last video we got the player punch right script, which now should be applying damage, and we need to do the same for punch left and kicks, but let's actually test this out to begin with. So I'll hit play and we'll just let it run through while I grab my controller.
Round 1. Fight.
So it seems to be working. It looks like the actual sparks have become messed up, so I'll need to go back and actually alter those so they're instantiating in the correct place. But as you can see, if I punch right now, I can damage the opponent. So there we go. And we can now see the robot's defeated pose when we run out the health. Let's stop that there. So now we can see that working. Let's copy and paste the code into the player punch left. So let's have a look. Just get rid of that. Can't remember if I did that in lesson. I think it might have been when I was experimenting with some code before the lesson. But I put the script back to normal. Hopefully you can all see that if I just slowly scroll through. So let's copy and paste all that code in. So now all we need to do is go through and change this to left punch damage. And we're actually lucky because we can actually just go through and copy and paste that into every single if block. And in the comments as well. And now you can see the benefits of using the same naming convention. It's going to make this very quick and easy to do. And finally the last one. So let's just get rid of that and we'll save that off. And now we can copy that again. Let's come to the low kick or body kick, because we've got it here. But I have to change these around, some of these naming conventions, just so they all match up. So we want the low kick damage, and again we can just copy and paste this through. And as I say, if you've just clicked onto this video maybe for the first time, as I explained in the previous lesson, we're doing it this way temporarily. It's not the most efficient way of actually coding this. Basically we just want to get the damage once, but we're doing it this way so that We can make changes, we can tweak some of the stat values until we find a balance. And as I said, much later on in the series, once a lot of other things are up and working and you are happy with the balance of your characters, we can actually come back and just have the scripts get the value once rather than each time. And I'm sure, as you can see from when I tested it, the damage value of my punch is way too high. We will need to lower that. But for now, let's just get the high kick damage in place. So I've just done the same again. I've just copied and pasted all the code in. And we're just going to go through and change from low kick damage to high kick damage. And finally, the last two. And just get rid of that empty line and we'll save that off again. Now, I was going to retest, but as you can see, when I tested, there seems to be an issue now. For some reason, the sparks aren't in the right place. So I'm going to do a different video to what I was planning. And in the very next lesson, we'll go through the actual game and we'll see about fixing that problem and if we have any other problems as we test things out. So that'll be a one-off video and then we can get back to coding, and obviously we can test everything in that video that what we've done so far is working and correct. So as always, hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.